In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can deposit money in FxPro. First, you need to sign into your account, and then you can just click on this arrow to expand the menu, and from the left hand side you will see deposit. Click on deposit and it's going to take us to all of the available deposit methods. You can use Google Pay, credit or debit card, PayPal, NetTeller, and Skrill. And also if you click on show more, you can use bank transfers. So depending on the amount which you want to deposit, let's just do credit or debit card. It is going to ask you for the card number and you will need to fill this out, and also the expiry date and the CVV and the amount which you want to deposit. So for example, let's try to deposit 200 USD. Here, if you have typed out your card information, then you will just click on proceed. The commission fee is going to be 0%. So that is how you deposit money into your FxPro account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.